So where are we now?
We're in GRA in Port Harcourt, River State.
Okay. Wow, this place is beautiful.
Yeah, this is GRA. In the left side is Central Bank.
Central Bank.
Central Bank of Nigeria.
Okay.
In the front, you can see all these top buildings. Is a state secretariat in River State.
Okay.
So now we're entering the Bank Road.
Yeah.
Which where the River State Judiciary reside.
Okay.
Both High Courts, other judges, Justice Mary Odele Complex is here.
Yeah.
This road is called Bank Road.
Bank Road.
Bank Road in GRA.
GRA. Wow. How long have you been living in Port Harcourt?
Well, I've been in Port Harcourt since 2000. Since 2000, yeah.
2000.
Yes.
So what do you like about Port Harcourt City?
Port Harcourt City, I like this state for one reason.
Yeah.
Especially this my able governor, Barrister Ezenwo Onyesonwike. I love the man.
Okay, that's the governor of
River State. Yes.
Okay. He lives in Port Harcourt too.
Yes.
Okay.
The man is unshakable. An able governor, undisputable.
Yeah, like he's a good governor.
He's a good governor. If other governor in Eastern region, old Eastern region,
yeah,
can emulate the man, I believe the old Eastern region will turn like a different place. People are coming to say, oh, is it the same Nigeria we are in?
Yeah.
But I don't think if other ones have been doing it.
Wow.
This state, this River State.
Yeah.
In fact, it's a good thing in River State is that the security. I keep on saying security. Do you know there's something I observed recently?
Yeah.
Sorry, this is William Jumbo.
William Jumbo.
William Jumbo.
That's the name of this place.
Yes, that's the street where we are. William Jumbo in OGRM.
Yeah.
So there's something I'm observing this recently, that this our able governor have manned so many surveillances. Yes, so many junction now.
Yeah.
There will be a camera. I start observing it.
Yeah.
Because I move around the state. I start observing it that they have so many camera mounted on strategic places.
Yeah.
In River State now.
Wow.
To monitor all the events that are happening. Any tragedy or whatever that is happening that is bad, as you monitor it.
Yeah.
Now, not only that, there was some certain cars I noticed. Some is written, some is not written. They call it surveillance unit.
Yeah.
Surveillance unit. They have it in River State here. At times you move in the night, you see them where they move around, they drive slowly, start checking things. At times when they suspect anything, they will park the car, search the car, allow you to go. If there is nothing found guilty on you, then they allow you to go.
That means Port Harcourt City have a very tight security system.
Yes.
So where are we now?
Hey, we're still in William Jumbo. We are approaching the back of Government House in River State.
Oh, okay.
And in my right hand, as I approach this roundabout, the right hand goes to Enescolia Street. Enescolia Street.
Okay.
That's where the right hand is going. So, as we are entering, after here, where we enter is Forces Avenue.
Forces Avenue?
Yes.
What does it cost to rent a house here?
House here will be... All right, this is one of the things I've been saying. This is one of the security men we met on the road.
Yeah.
This is back of the government house, and the man stops us and asks us one or two questions, which we have cleared ourselves. The notice that is true. That's what me personally love this estate. Okay, so we are continuing. We're heading to Forces Avenue. We are just.
So how much does it cost to rent a house here to live here?
Here.
GRA.
My brother, this old GRA. This is what called GRA.
Okay,
see how white.
Old GRA. Yes. You also have new GRA.
Have new GRA. They have old GRA.
Okay. And so how much does it cost?
A house here will be higher. You see, like a house of 2 million a bedroom flat, 3 million a bedroom flat. Depends on the compound.
1 bedroom flat.
Yeah, 1 bedroom flat. Because here has much security than other places. It's close to government house.
Okay.
Close to government house. It has much security than other places. Okay, so here you can get duplex here.
Yeah.
So you get duplex here with Mount Mon. This is River State University Teaching Hospital.
Okay, teaching hospital.
Teaching hospital, River State.
Yeah.
University Teaching Hospital, which is formerly BMH.
Yeah. Okay.
Now they convert it to be this. And the left side is doctor's quarters, which
Doctor's quarters.
built by His Excellency Barrister S.W. Wike. Yes, my undisputed governor. The right side is golf club.
Yeah.
The right side golf club.
Yeah.
Here is Forces Avenue. That's where we are now.
Forces Avenue.
Forces Avenue in GRA.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where we are. Forces Avenue. So this state is a calm state, very calm state. In fact, I recommend people you can come and live here and enjoy yourself. Yeah, because things what human being need in life, security.
Yeah.
Like when you travel to abroad, you discover that there is security. People are running going there because of security that is there.
Yeah.
Security. That's why many people are just like, let me travel, go to abroad, and this and that.
Security in Port Harcourt.
Yes, there's security in Port Harcourt. That's why I'm like telling people that you can come to Port Harcourt and live in Port Harcourt and have your two eye closed while sleeping, not one eye closed sleeping. You know, you know what it means.
Yeah.
Yes, you may have all the money, but you are not sleeping well because of insecurity. So, River State is a good place. Security. This is one of the security house they have here in GRA. A pole by pole, you are seeing them. Anchor checkmating all the necessary acts. I thank my governor, my able governor, for the job well done. What he did. See how it looks neat. The left is Port Harcourt Club.
Port Harcourt Club.
Yes.
Are there jobs in Port Harcourt City?
Oh, in city, my brother. Port Harcourt is not different from Nigeria.
Okay.
You understand?
So what about electricity?
Well, actually, they are trying, but the issue we have at hand now that the tariff, the NEPA people or PhD quote, have increased their tariff.
But those houses, when you rent, there is electricity in the house.
Yes, there will be, because
steady electricity.
Steady electricity. Most of people here this side now, they will use a prepaid meter, and any area that have a prepaid meter, light often come in because they're not owing NEPA bills. Yes, So those ones that own NEPA bills, most of them you see that they will not give them light or disconnect them from the source. Yes.
So where are we now?
So this is still the old GRA. This is Port Harcourt Primary. That's where I'm passing Port Harcourt Primary. We are heading to Sokoto Street. We're heading Sokoto Street in OGRA.
So what kind of restaurants do we have here? Like good restaurants?
There's many.
Like what? Can you mention that?
Oh, we can get to something like Asia Town in this old GRA. You can talk about Jevnik in new GRA. What's those their names and Jevnik, in new GRA. So when you talk about Kings and Queens, you talk about Amazon. These are the things places. Yes, Queens restaurants. This old new GRA. These are places that you go and have very good, delicious.
What about schools? Do we have like universities here in Port Harcourt City?
Yes, the city. There's a university here, but not in the city. There's this Elechi Amadi Polytechnic. So which is reside in Rumola roadside.
Okay.
So other universities, the one in majority is under Obiakpo local government. This is Sokoto Street. So soon we're entering the First Avenue. This is the house of a navy, and to tell you how security is, every look and cranny of this place is you have security outposts there for any eventuality. You see them appear in a second. This is the old Forces Avenue, the longest street in Old GRA is the Forces Avenue in Old GRA. So in schools in River State, they find out that they have other places. There's one in Ogoni side. There's new other like the one they created now, something like Emowa.
What about University of Port Harcourt?
Yes, you must reside at Choba.
Yeah.
That's the Uniport you're talking about.
Yeah.
At Choba. That's where University of Port Harcourt is.
Wow.
So, have a good school here. Have a good school here.
So where is the cheapest place to live in this Port Harcourt city?
You can go to something like Omagwa area. Omagwa area.
That place is very, very cheap.
Yes, very cheap.
How much is house rent there?
No, you can get the house rent of 1-bedroom flat of 150,000.
1 bedroom flat for 150,000.
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Wow.
It's very cheap. You can get self-contained there, very cheap. You know, something like a school is not closed there. Other many activities is not closed there.
Yeah.
It seems like they are in their village.
Yes, okay.
That was
Outskirts
of the Port Harcourt, this metropolis.
2-bedroom flat would be like how much there?
Yeah, you can get 200.
200K?
Yes.
For
yes.
200, 2-bedroom flat?
Yes. Who is disturbing you? Nobody is disturbing you in your village.
For real?
Yeah, this is
And it's safe?
Avenue. Yeah, it's safe.
Yeah.
You know, there's some village, you have some vigilantes.
Yeah.
Like in River State, you have what called OSPAC.
Okay.
There's places where you see OSPAC. OSPAC, they are guiding, like it's a vigilante.
Yeah.
Guiding the communities.
Yeah. Okay.
So, that's
So where are we now?
We're still in Forces Avenue. You know, Forces Avenue is like a circular road in old GRA. So we're heading to Spa. Okay. This road leads to Spa. Yeah, in River State. So the security of that village is assured. It's assured, yes. Very assured.
So tell me more things that you like about Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt is a place where you want to flex your life. But you have to use your head so that you will not use.
Do people have nightclubs here?
There's nightclubs here. So many nightclubs is here.
Mention them. Which ones?
You go something like Playhouse. You go something like Beer Barn. You go something like Black Box. You go something like XXX. You go something like Creed. You go something Creed.
Okay.
There's many.
Yeah. Okay.
There's many. So many. Everywhere. You go so many places.
Wow.
And,
what about hotels? Do we have nice hotels here?
Yes. There are so many hotels. This is where we are. Is where leading to that BMH, that River State Teaching Hospital.
Okay.
This is where we are now.
Okay.
So hotels in River State, there are numerous hotels.
Wow.
Yeah. When you talk about Oak Heaven.
Okay.
Yeah. When you talk about La Meridian.
Okay.
When you talk about Golden Tulip.
Yeah.
So many of it. You talk about Bellevue.
Bellevue?
Yeah, you talk about the Edge Hotel.
Yeah.
Which
hotels are like the most expensive here?
You talk about the Novotel. You talk about Presidential Hotels.
Yeah.
So these are the hotels that I named but few.
Like how much? Like the most expensive hotel?
There's hotel that a room per night is 55,000
Naira.
Yes, 5,000 naira. A room per night. But you can get the one of 20-something thousand per night, but it's a good room. You can get the one of 18,000 per night, good room.
Okay.
Yeah, a very fine one, all with AC and serene environment.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's a place you relax and without having with security.
Yeah.
So that's where the hotels are. Just you are in the front of River State Teaching Hospital right now.
Okay.
That's where we are.
Wow.